Yeah, if I go up this way, it'll take me to Inglis Falls.
Today I had some time to adventure. I had some time to see if I could find some awesome waterfalls. And, here I am checking out Inglis Falls.
This one is Inglis Falls. I thought since I was up in the Owen Sound area, I would swing by and do this one as well.
Every time I go, it's so different from the last time because the weather is different and the amount of rain or snow that we've had over the year totally affects what these waterfalls look like.
Right on the other side of this rock is an epic waterfall. Let's go take a look. Whoa! What? Now that's crazy. All kinds of trails you can go hiking on. And runners love this area. I run here. It's flipping amazing. There was a water treatment plant here back in the day. Over there. Yeah, let me show you that. And then I'll show you the rest of the waterfall. This time of year is the best time to see waterfalls. Oh, this is the filtration plant. Now that is cool. 1910. Cost $125,000. Waterworks system. And that's how it worked. No water flows through it anymore, but take a screen capture and you can read all about it. I want to go under there. Let's go take a look at the waterfall. There's the history. There's screen capture and you can read all about it. 1842. Wow, look at that. Just incredible. I've been all the way down at the bottom and I've actually climbed up all of these in the summertime. Man, that is a strong river. Imagine being here in the 1800s. So awesome. These millstones are all that remain of a grist and sawmill operated on the site by the Inglis family for 90 years, 1845 to 1934. Wow. The mill burned down in 1945. That's a shame. Just when I think I'm going home, I saw something else I wanted to show you. This fall, the salmon along the Sydenham River, the mill dam and fish ladder. Let's go take a look. Wow. That's just a little bit of water coming down. There's another one over there. This is the fish ladder right here. Guess the fish would spawn going upstream. Oh, I can actually feel it under my feet. I mean, this would be cool to throw down like a paddle board or a kayak. I mean, all the houses that are along here. I mean, that's cool. Oh, Canada geese. Okay, Mama, I'm not gonna disturb your eggs. I'm not gonna bug you. Oh, there's a little duck. And this is one of the other one of the other ones. And then over here you can actually, oh, more Canada geese. But, hi. Sorry, Mama, I'm not going to bother you. What a cool area. I mean, this would be nice if it wasn't raining. Wow. I mean, we could go down here. Let's see how crazy it is. Just follow the path that everyone else is taking. We gotta see, is there, well, the lenses aren't wet, so that's good. Hey, that's a better view. Mill Dam, baby. Woo! You know, I bet you if I came here in the summertime, there'd be like hardly anything coming out. Man, those Canada geese are going crazy because there's a squirrel running up the tree. And those guys are just honking like crazy. Now they're all quiet. Okay, Mama Goose, don't chase me. I don't know what side. I don't know where your eggs are, but I'm not bothering you. She's standing on guard. So this is Owen Sound. I guess I didn't even say that before. It's very cool. I mean, there's more places here, but I don't have any more time. I gotta get going. Maybe I'll do another video when it's nicer. Like I always say, get out and explore. Hopefully you like this one. Okay, one last place, Harrison Park. Man, that river is flowing well. I did not know Harrison Park is one of the highlights of the Owen Sound Salmon Tour, 5-kilometer adventure along the Sydenham River that flows the annual salmon migration from the city's harbor all the way to Inglis Falls. Very cool. And the Chinook or king salmon are the largest salmon in the world. I don't know. I'm not a fisherman, so you learn something new every day. There's a restaurant. It seems like a lot of people are going to, which is right here in this building. And they made this little man-made creek on the right-hand side to have kind of a little bit of an island. I'm trying to think, did I do a video in here before? Can't remember. Anyways, it's a great place to bring the kids, or if it's just you by yourself. It's a really neat, little neat park. Lots of hiking, you got the river. Fun times. In the wintertime, they have a light festival or a light display that you can drive through. All the Christmas decorations and stuff. The history on this place is pretty cool. Look it up. And here, I'm going to swing around here so you can see the entrance. But this is part of the trail right here. Owen Sound has lots of trails. Oh, I think Harrison Park changed their sign. I can't believe I have to turn around this much just so you can see the sign. There you go. Restaurant, campground,